Hey guys, we are back again for another travel video. And this time we will be looking at an island that most travelers might be familiar with, and is honestly one place you should definitely add to your travel journal. That island is Bora Bora. So, in today's travel guide, we will be looking at what makes Bora Bora a must-visit travel destination. We will also share with you 8 exciting reasons why you should certainly plan a holiday trip to beautiful Bora Bora. Without dragging any further, let's begin. Bora Bora is a small yet breathtaking island located northwest of Tahiti in French Polynesia. To many of its visitors, it is literally heaven on earth. Every year, more and more tourists have turned to Bora Bora as their ideal holiday destination. Surrounded by majestic crystal-clear waters and beautiful coral reefs, its main attractions are its amazing water sport activities and mind-blowing resorts. This is why Bora Bora is constantly ranked as one of the 10 best vacation spots to travel to every single year. It appeals to people all over the world due to its uniqueness and the abundance of adventurous activities available on such a small island. If you are planning for a family trip, or your honeymoon, or even a solo travel adventure, Bora Bora should definitely be your first choice. That is why when you ask most tourists visiting this small island, the majority of them would have visited it more than just a couple of times. The never-ending adventurous nature of the island always excites tourists to either extend their trips or come back for more in the future. Tourists who travel to Bora Bora tend to forget how fast time flies with the location's ability to constantly provide them with new and exciting things to add to their to-do list on a daily basis. So, a piece of advice for travelers planning to visit Bora Bora for their next holiday trip is to give yourselves ample time to explore the true beauty of this marvelous island by not just spending a few days there, but a good couple of weeks. Does this already make you feel like packing your bags and heading there right now? Hold on, there is more to Bora Bora than just this. Here are 8 incredibly exciting things you can expect once you set foot on the beautiful island of Bora Bora. First on our list of exciting things to do in Bora Bora is snorkeling alongside stunning marine animals. Water activities should be top of your to-do list when you are planning for a trip to Bora Bora. The island has become well known for its endless amounts of water activities, from water skiing, to deep-sea diving, to swimming alongside the most magnificent marine life. But one water activity that tops this list has to be snorkeling. Snorkeling in the crystal-clear blue waters is a once-in-a-lifetime experience that you will never forget. With a variety of marine animals such as sharks, manta rays, stingrays, and barracuda, you definitely want to put on your swimming trunks and head straight into those waters. And if you are someone who is afraid of swimming in deep waters, you don't have to worry. There are plenty of places you can enjoy snorkeling and swimming it, without worrying about the depth of the water, like the lagoons. Lagoons are a great place for beginner snorkelers or swimmers to experience the water activities in Bora Bora. Second on our list is kitesurfing through the majestic crystal-clear waters. Trust me when I say there are endless water activities in Bora Bora, and that this might not be the last water activity you see on this list. If you have never experienced kitesurfing in your life, believe me when I say Bora Bora is the best place for kitesurfing. Kitesurfing is more than just surfing along the water at high speeds. It is an experience that is all about enjoying the scenic view you are getting, as well as witnessing the many beautiful things surrounding you while you are surfing. With stunning mountains, gorgeous lagoons, and a constant view of marine life through crystal-clear waters, you are sure to have the time of your life. If you are someone who is worried about the safety aspect of kitesurfing, I am here to put those worries away. Safety is always a priority when it comes to water activities, especially at a place that is famous worldwide for its water activities. There will definitely be life jackets available for you if you wish to wear them while surfing. Additionally, there will also be plenty of lifeguards who will be with you and watching over you while you enjoy the activity. So, regardless if you are a beginner or an expert, kitesurfing is definitely something you should try out when you are at Bora Bora. Next up is the fun and thrilling 4x4 island-wide tours. Let's take a break from all the water activities and look at something that might excite you when you are on land. That is a 4-wheel tour of the beautiful island of Bora Bora. You can enjoy the wonderful scenery, beaches, and lagoons without the need to walk a mile. With tour guides to help you better understand the historical and cultural aspects of the island, you are sure to not only view the true beauty of Bora Bora but also learn a ton about this amazing island. This will be a great break from some of the water activities that you will definitely partake in. If you are a fan of the classic Indiana Jones movies and always wanted to try riding on those jeeps shown in the movie, this will be an amazing opportunity to experience it while capturing an everlasting picture of Bora Bora. Swimming at Matira Beach is yet another thing you would want to do when in the dazzling island of Bora Bora. Matira Beach is one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. With its eye-catching white sand shores and crystal clear blue waters, it is no wonder that tourists who visit Bora Bora always have swimming at Matira Beach near the top of their to-do list. It is a beach that is open to the public, and is always filled with tons of visitors on a daily basis. If you are traveling with elderlies, try having a stroll with them along the beach. They will definitely love those slow walks on the smooth white sands of Matira Beach. There are plenty of hotels and resorts near Matira Beach as well. When selecting your hotels during your trip to Bora Bora, booking one that is near the beach would be an excellent choice. So, pack extra swimming trunks with you when planning for your trip to Bora Bora, cause you will definitely need them. Other than swimming, helicopter tours across the island is another thing you would want to add to your to-do list when visiting Bora Bora. If you love traveling on a helicopter, then you will absolutely love the helicopter rides at Bora Bora. Helicopter rides are all about the view while taking in the fresh air that breezes past you. These rides, or more so tours, are sure to give you an experience that you will never forget. With views of both Mount Otomanu and Mount Pahia, a bird's eye view of the crystal clear waters, and the stunning lagoons, you are not going to miss much of the island when on these helicopter tours. Try booking these tours when you feel like you need a break from some of the water activities, and just enjoy the calm yet grand nature of the island. These tours run on a daily basis, so you are guaranteed not to miss out on them. However, the weather plays a huge role as well, since they do not operate on rainy days, or days with unfavorable weather conditions for such tours. Hiking both Mount Otomanu and Mount Pahia is something you should definitely plan on doing during your trip to Bora Bora. Mount Otomanu and Mount Pahia are two peaks of an extinct volcano location. Most tourists tend to love visiting peaks, especially Mount Otomanu, since it is the larger of the two peaks. This is because of the marvelous scenery you get when you reach the top of the mountain. It captures a breathtaking view of the island. This is a great place for photo taking and capturing some amazing shots that you might never get anywhere else around the world. If you are planning to get to the top of the mountain, a better way than hiking there would be taking the 4x4 ride straight there. It is both a quicker and easier method compared to you draining so much energy trying to hike there. It will also be a favorable method for elderlies who might struggle without such rides to reach the top of the mountain. This could be yet another activity you can add to your list of things to do when planning your trip to Bora Bora. Second to last on our list of exciting things to do is enjoying unique and traditional Tahitian dishes in stunning Bora Bora. If you have never tried Tahitian food, Bora Bora is a great place for amazing traditional Tahitian food. Tahitian food is quite similar to French cuisine. If you are someone who loves French cuisine, you are sure to enjoy some of those Tahitian dishes that Bora Bora is going to offer you. Seafood and desserts are a specialty in the traditional Tahitian dishes served in Bora Bora. You will definitely not be missing much when it comes to food, as there are many other cuisine alternatives on the island as well. There are also some awesome cafes that you can pay a visit to during your time in Bora Bora around Matira Beach and Vaitape Village. This is a hotspot for most tourists visiting Bora Bora when it comes to having their breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even supper. The final exciting thing you should certainly plan on doing when visiting the beautiful island of Bora Bora is taking part in the shark and stingray feeding sessions. Shark and stingray feeding should be one of the top activities on your to-do list when traveling to Bora Bora with your kids. Honestly, everyone enjoys viewing a shark and stingray feeding session. This is one of the must-do activities tourists suggest when traveling with their kids. There are a number of tour packages that provide tourists with the opportunity to try feeding sharks and stingrays. If you are someone who is afraid of feeding these marine lives, you can still enjoy the experience through viewing others feed these marine creatures. This is a great opportunity for you to get up close with some of your favorite marine creatures. Many tourists who have visited Bora Bora suggested that this was the highlight of their whole trip, since most of them were trying this for the first time in their life, and even feedback that the kids really enjoyed feeding the sharks and stingray. As I mentioned previously, there are a number of exciting water activities that you can try out in Bora Bora, and this activity just adds to that excitement. Now, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed some of the information that I was able to share with you today. If you guys enjoyed the video, and found it informative, please feel free to let me know down in the comments section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel for more of such travel-related videos. If you are interested in even more travel content, then feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, where you can find an abundance of such content. The links will be in the description below. It will be greatly appreciated. With that, I hope to see you guys on our next travel video. Goodbye, and see you soon.